Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are going to unbox this, and this is the Nissan Skyline, and this is by Tomica. So let's just get it unboxed. Okay, here is the closer look of the box. Okay, let's open it. So there is nothing inside the box apart from the car. So if you want to know, let's put this aside and see the car itself. Okay, this looks really beautiful. It's really nice, and this one has actually fibers for the headlights, and okay, the taillights are painted, but I still love Tomica, decided to put some fiber instead of just painting on it. But I still hate one thing, that they are going with the same set of wheels for every car which comes under this particular price range. Hope they change it in maybe in this year's set, like 2023 set. This has some great detail to it. The interiors looks really awesome, and it has some good weight to it. So this doesn't have any suspension or anything like that. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, it does have some suspension. Yeah, this is really awesome. Okay, this is the first Tomica which I have which has suspension to it. This I didn't expect actually, but it's really amazing. Wow, this looks really beautiful compared to the other Tomicas which I opened, maybe except for the Lamborghinis which I opened, especially the Miura Jota. That was really phenomenal, the detailing and with the openable parts and everything. Okay guys, so that's it for today. So if you like my video, hit a thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. It would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me, and consider subscribing. So thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.